Radiant souls, today we will be identifying points of contact within our bodies so that we may anchor onto something during moments where we may feel overwhelmed or stressed. So this meditation will be set in nature, but feel free to take it in any posture that you need. I recommend trying it while sitting down, but if you would like to lay down with your spine erect, feel free. Take a moment to close the eyes and bring your awareness to the posture of the body. Make the necessary adjustments that you may need to be at ease. Take a deep inhale in. Exhale, release. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Begin by noticing the places where the body is touching something else. Can you feel the contact between your feet and the floor? Pay attention to the physical feeling of the feet. There's nothing special to do. Just observe how the feet feel in this moment. Take a deep inhale in. Exhale, release. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Continue to where you can feel the contact between your rear end and the chair or the cushion or the floor. Notice the contact and pressure of the upper thighs with the chair. Rest your awareness here, mindfully observing what this feels like in the body. Take a deep inhale in. Exhale, release. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Bring the attention to the hands, however they may be resting. Feel the places where the hands are touching each other, sitting in the lap or resting on the knees. Focus on whatever part of the hand is in contact with something else. Take a deep inhale in. Exhale, release. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Now see where you can feel the sensation of the clothes on the body. You can scan the body to see where the sensation is present. It may be easiest to feel the places where the clothing stops and the skin is exposed, such as the arms, the neck, or the ankles. Take a deep inhale in. Exhale, release. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Finally, bring your awareness to the sensation of the air on your skin. You may notice the temperature of the air feels different on the palm of your hand than on the back of your hand. You may also feel the wind if you're sitting outside. There is no right or wrong. Be true to your own experience. Take a deep inhale in. Exhale, release. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Finishing this practice, bring mindfulness to the points of contact during the day. Whenever you sit down, feel the body come into contact with the chair. When you stand up, notice your feet on the floor. Taking a deep inhale breath, feeling energy entirely through your body. On the exhale, releasing the stress, the heaviness, the worry off of you. Allowing yourself to be free and liberated in this moment. Thank you for joining me for practice. My name is Radiance and I pray that you have a day that's as amazing as you are.